welcome back. It's Eureka Module 1, Lesson 7. So let's go ahead and have a look. Our objective today is to take from 10 within 20. We're going to be working with numbers from 11 to 19. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. So let's go ahead and get started. For our words that we need to know how to decompose. That's been the word of the week. We've got to decompose. That means to break apart numbers. And then we have to subtract today. We're going to be taking away the part from the whole. And difference is the answer to a subtraction problem. So let's go ahead and talk about how to decompose these numbers. There are lots of ways to decompose these numbers, but for today, we're going to decompose them by taking away a 10. So let's go ahead and we're just going to put a 10 right here, 10, and a 10. Like I said, there's lots of other ways to decompose. For example, this 12 right here, I can make it a 6 and a 6, but for today, we're going to take away a 10 from each of them. Okay, so I know that 13 is 10 and 3, 17 is 10 and 7, 12 is 10 and 2. So that's what we're focusing on today, is decomposing these numbers and taking away a 10. All right, so let's review. What is a 10? Well, I can have a unit of 10 like this, where I have one 10 in a stick. I can also have 10 ones, and 10 ones make a 10. Remember, we can regroup them and they turn into a 10 stick. And then you can also have this. And most of us have 10 fingers, so this can be a 10. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at this problem right here, 11 take away 9. Now you can see that they decomposed it for you. It's a 1 and a 10, easy. So I'm gonna use my hands today, okay? I have 10. Now, since I decomposed that 10, what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract the 9 from the 10. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I am left with 1. So 10 take away 9 equals 1. Now, if you look right here, I'm left with my 1 here, but then I have this 1 left from the 11. So I'm going to put those together, and I end up with 1 plus 1 equals 2. So that means the answer to 11 take away 9 is 2. Let's go ahead and try some other numbers. 11 take away 7. You can see that I'm going to decompose that. So when I decompose this 11, it is a 1 and a 10. So this is what it looks like with pictures. You can see my yellow, I have 10 yellow, and then I have 1 pink. It's 11. 10 and 1 equal 11, but I'm going to go ahead and break it apart. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this 10 and I'm going to subtract 7. So how would I do that? Well, I can just cross them off like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 10 take away 7 equals 3. You can see that I have 3 left right here. But I also have 1 left right here, so I'm not done. I need to put these two numbers together. So I'm going to go ahead and use the number sentence 3 plus 1 because that's what's left over after I do my action of subtraction. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that means 11 take away 7 also equals 4. Okay, let's go ahead and try this on other problems with other numbers. So let's go ahead and do this without pictures and let's just see if we can do it on our own. So I have 14 take away 6. Well, I'm going to use my strategy and I'm going to say that I have a 10 and 4. I'm decomposing that 14. Now remember, I'm going to subtract 10 take away 6 and that equals 4. Now remember, I still have this 4 left. This is not my answer. I have this number and this number left, so I need to put them together. So I'm going to say 4 plus 4 equals 8. And there you go. Now, one thing I want you to remember is that this is a strategy. So if you know any of these math facts by heart, please, please, please just answer the problem. Okay, but if you don't know, this is one strategy that you can use, and you can also practice using this strategy because it'll help you with bigger numbers later on when you get into harder math. So we have 11 take away 5, and we decomposed 11 a lot today. I think we overused that number a little bit. So that's a 1 and a 10, and now I have 10 take away 5. So I'm going to subtract and find the difference. So 10 take away 5 equals 5, but I'm not done yet. I have this number left. So what do I have to do? I have to take the difference and this, and I have to add them together. So I have 5 plus 1 equals 6. So that means that 11 take away 5 equals 6. Okay, let's go ahead and give you something to think about. Victoria gave 6 celery sticks to her mom. She started with 13. How many celery sticks does she have left? Dun, dun, dun. Well, let's go ahead and find out. So Victoria gave 6 celery sticks to her mom. She started with 13. Now, if she had 13 at the beginning and she gave 6 away, are we going to add more or are we going to take them away? We are going to subtract. Now, what number was the whole, the biggest number, the number that she had at the beginning? It was 13. So Victoria had 13 celery sticks and she gave 6 to her mom. Wow, I can't subtract that. So I'm going to use my make a 10 strategy. So here we go. I know that 13 is 3 and 10. Now I'm going to go ahead and circle those numbers, my 10 and my 6. 10 take away 6 equals 4. And then I'm not done yet because look, I have a 3 and I have a 4. I've got to put them together. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that means that 13 take away 6 equals 7. Now this is a story problem, so we answer it with a sentence. She has 7 sticks left. Okay, so again, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I am here to help you. And let's go ahead and practice and look at your seesaw activity. Okay, I want to know that you can decompose. So today you're going to show me how you take out a 10. So you have 17 and 12. You're going to put this first number as 10, or it can be the other number that you would put, and a 12. Decompose, but you have to do a 10. Okay, and then the next one right here, take out a 10, 13 and 19. And then right here, I want you to try to use our strategy today. 14 take away 9, they decomposed it for you. So look at this, 10 take away 9 equals 1. 1 plus 4 equals, you do that, and then this is your answer. They have to match. Now you can use the strategy on your own, or if you know the fact by heart, you can answer it, and I'm okay with that. Finally, we have a story problem. Robert has 16 cups. Some are red, 9 are blue. How many cups are red? If he has 16 cups and you take away the blue cups, 9 of them, how many cups will be red? So it is 16 take away 9. So go ahead and work your problem out. You can use your seesaw activities. If you need to use a whiteboard and draw pictures, you can do that, but take a picture of your whiteboard so I can see your work and type the answer right here. Blank cups are red. Remember, I like to see your work and show me how you're thinking. So that's it for today. A short, quick, easy lesson, and that's it. We'll see you later. Bye. Have a great day.